This is 1 cup of flour. This is another cup, making it 2 cups of flour. Okay, now we are going to sift it. You see the reason why it's good for you to sift your flour before you start. You see, can you see what I'm seeing inside? My baking powder, my sugar. You see the quantity of sugar I'm using for 2 cups because I don't like too much sugar. Can you see it? You see my butter, because of 2 spoons, 2 cups. You see, you can see the way I'm mixing it. Before we now put the liquid, we are trying to dissolve our butter. Okay? Before the milk and egg, so that it should be smooth. The thing will be smooth. It's not like roadside chin chin. This one we are doing at home. You need to make it to be smooth. This is my milk. I'm going to mix it with my egg. You see? Put a small water. We've measured our water. Thank you for joining. Thank you for joining. Thank you for watching. This is our milk and egg. As you can see the way I'm dissolving it. Now, we want to put it here. You see, when I put a bit water, to bring it out. You see, now we're going to wash my hand. You see, I've washed my hand. You want to see how the chin chin will be like. I'm going to give you a quality chin chin. Okay? This one is not the one you buy outside. This is the one you made by yourself. For you to give yourself, you must give yourself a quality chin chin. Are you getting me? I've mixed everything together very well. Now we're going to leave it for it to rise like 10 to 15 minutes. We're going to leave it and see. We're going to cover it and leave it like 10 to 15 minutes. And we'll call and shake back. You see the thing? Because we allow it 10 to 15 minutes so that the thing will be soft. It will mix very well. I told you that I'm going to give you a quality chin chin. Not like the one in the shop, the one made homemade chin chin. Okay? Okay, I'm going to divide it into two. Now we are going to cut it. You can cut any of your choice style, but I'm going to give you a simple style that will be easy, because the moment you put it inside the oil, everything will dissolve. Once you mix it very well, if you put inside the oil, everything will automatically separate. But if you do not mix it very well, it might not be able to separate, okay? But make sure you mix it very well. See, we have finished cutting the first one. Now we are going to the second one. The first one, you can see the way I'm doing it. I'm going to give you a simple pattern. I said simple pattern that can easily be for you. Simple pattern. I told you before, if you mix it very well, it should be easy for you to cut. Very easy to make at home. This is called homemade chin chin. Very easy. Just 2 cups of flour and 1 egg and your milk. Very easy to make at home on your own. We are waiting for the oil to be hot so that we can put it inside. Very easy to make at home on your own. Just 2 cups of flour, you can make a quality chin chin without spending much money, okay? Just 2 cups of flour, you can make chin chin on your own, okay? Now, let's check whether the oil is hot. Very easy at home. If I can do it, you can do it, okay? You see, very easy. This homemade chin chin. Homemade chin chin. It must be on the low light so that it can give you the gold color. Not brown color, gold color. I like gold color. You can see. Thank you for joining, for watching. Now, you can see what I was able to achieve with 2 cups. Just 2 cups. You can see. Thank you for watching, and God bless you.